Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your VW Beetle. First, always prioritize safety by using jack stands and proper tools. We'll cover straightforward methods that can significantly enhance your car's appearance and handling. This process involves modifying suspension components to achieve a desired ride height, often improving stability and giving your Beetle a sportier look. Let's get started safely. For the front, an adjustable front beam is a popular and relatively easy method. This beam replaces your original one, offering threaded adjusters that let you dial in your desired front ride height. You can typically achieve a drop of 2 to 4 inches. Installation requires basic mechanical skills, and once installed, adjustments are quick, allowing you to fine-tune your Beetle's stance with ease. Moving to the rear, lowering plates provide a simple way to reduce your Beetle's ride height. These plates replace your existing spring plates and are designed with different mounting positions to lower the suspension. You can often choose from several settings to achieve a drop of 2, 3, or 4 inches. This method is effective and helps balance the car's new lower front end. After installing your lowering components, it's crucial to perform a thorough check. Double-check all bolts and nuts to ensure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, a professional four-wheel alignment is absolutely essential to correct camber and toe settings, preventing premature tire wear and ensuring safe handling. Finally, take a careful test drive to feel the new ride and listen for any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.